Okay, Assalamualaikum. This is my project, self-balancing motorcycle. Okay, basically for this project I am using a ESP32 as the microprocessor, MPU 6050, the gyro sensor, driver motor, and a steering motor and potentiometer. Okay, basically for this project is the MPU will detect the roll angle and tilt angle for this motorcycle and use it to control the potentiometer, to control this driver motor and steering motor to keep this motorcycle balanced. Basically, the value from this potentiometer will decide to make the motorcycle go forward and reverse or left and right to keep this motorcycle balanced. That's all for me. Thank you.